If you're looking for a useful video on Cialis, don't look any further. This video is meant for you. We will cover all the ins and outs, how to use it, when to use it, what are its side effects, and much, much more. So make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss any important information. For those of you meeting for the first time, my name is Raoul. I'm a medical doctor from the Netherlands and I'm making weekly medical videos to educate you, my viewer. And this video also comes with a quick disclaimer. It's meant purely informative, and if you're looking for medical advice, you know it, contact your own doctor. And now, let's get learning. Now, the generic name of this medication is Tadalafil, but it's sold under several brand names like Cialis, Adcirca and Talmanco, and it's available as a tablet. Which brings us to how to use it. If you're using it as a tablet, make sure to swallow it with half a glass of water. Do not break the tablet, do not chew on it, as this can decrease its effectivity. However, if you want so, you can combine it with some food, eat it with some food, but it's not necessary. Now, Cialis is part of a group of drugs called PDE5. Those cause an increased blood flow to the penis, leading to an erection. Therefore, Cialis can be used to treat erectile dysfunction in adult male, prostate gland enlargement in adult male, and pulmonary arterial hypertension. Which brings us to the correct dosages to use, and here I want to mention that I can only provide you with some guidelines. Always use the prescribed amount and frequency your doctor prescribed you, because your dosage can differ depending on your symptoms, the indication of use, and the severity of your medical condition. However, when treating erectile dysfunction, your doctor might prescribe a dose of 10 milligrams to be taken at least 30 minutes before sexual activity. If this is working insufficiently, the dose could be increased up to a dose of 20 milligrams. And when treating an enlarged prostate, your doctor might prescribe a dose of 5 milligrams once per day. Now, Cialis is a very effective drug, but unfortunately it can also have some side effects. I will discuss some of the most common ones in this video, but if you're looking for a complete list, ask your doctor, check your leaflet, or ask your pharmacist. Commonly, Cialis might cause a headache, flushing, nasal congestion, and muscle pain. Uncommonly, it could cause a hypersensitive reaction, blood pressure changes, dizziness, chest pain, palpitation, and a prolonged erection. Rarely, it can cause pain on your chest, heart problems, swollen eyelids, and sudden deafness. And in elderly, those older than 65 years, Cialis might more frequently cause diarrhea or dizziness. Which brings us to the safety of use. And first of all, Cialis might cause dizziness or blurred vision. If you experience any of these, then please do not drive, as this can be dangerous. In addition, if you combine Cialis with alcohol, this can increase its side effects. Therefore, be careful when doing so. And lastly, Cialis can have interactions with other drugs you're taking. Therefore, always discuss this with your personal doctor. Now, I hope you know now how to use Cialis, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer each and every one of them. If you did learn something, please leave a like. This will help out the channel tremendously, and consider subscribing. I'm posting weekly medical videos to educate you, and if you are interested, click that subscribe button, and you will also help me to reach my new subscriber milestone, 100,000 subscribers. Thank you all for watching, especially thanks to my Patreon supporters. Thanks to Sebastian, who is an Investor supporter. And for those of you that can't get enough, next week there will be a new video, and I have an Instagram account @HowToMedicate. You can see some weekly posts there. See you next week. Bye bye.